Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to write a code that demonstrates how to declare a class and how to create two objects of that class. So we are basically going to review the class creation and object creation from that class. So we are declaring one class here. The class name is person. We are having two public variables, that is one name and the other one is age. Then in the int main function, we are creating two objects, p1 and p2, from that class person, and we are assigning the name of the first object to be Alice and the age to be 25. We are also having the second object name to be Bob and the second object age to be 30. And in order to print out the output, we are having the cout p.name, then p1.name, p1.age, and p2.name and p2.age. So let me run the code first. So here we see that Alice is printed, which is the p1.name, which is the message here, and then p1.age, which is 25 that we assigned here, and then years old, the message that we show in the terminal. The same logic happens with the second object. So we have p2.name, which is Bob here. So Bob is printed, then is the message that we print in the terminal, and then we are having the p2.age, which is 30 that we assigned here, and years old is what we are typing down in the terminal. So basically, in order to have access to a public variable, this is a review, to a public variable, we can access it directly outside of the class. To do that, we created two objects. Each object is assigning a name and age. So age, so Alice 25, Bob 30, using this code. So the object name is either p1 or, for example, p2. And when we are having the name of the variable here, which is name here, or for example, we can have the p2.age. So this is how basically we can assign a value to our public variable using the object name dot the name of the variable in the class. And then if we would like to print out the same variable, we can type down the object dot the name of the variable. So the object dot the name of the variable, which is age in this case here. This is how we can type down, assign, and print out the value. And also, if we are going to call a function that is in that class, we can simply just type down the object like p1 dot, and then it follows the name of the function, for example. Thank you for watching.